Hi, I just want to tell you a little bit more about the Occupational Outlook Handbook. It is published by the U.S. Bureau of Labor Statistics, and it's a great resource. It's published, updated periodically, just about every year, at least every 2 years, I know, and with all of the different occupations throughout the whole United States. So if you're on here and you're just searching, you're just curious to find out about different jobs, maybe you want to know which jobs pay the highest in the United States, or you want to know what kind of jobs will be growing the fastest. They project out 10 years. So in most of these, it's 2028 or 2000 up to 2030, depending on if they've updated it or not. And which ones do they project to have the most new jobs? So that's useful to look at. You can also search by occupational group. So if you want to grow up and be a chef, you would probably look under food preparation and serving. Or if you want to be a teacher, you might look under education. For when we're searching to find information about a specific job, we will search the handbook using the search bar. So let's say I want to be um, a producer and director, since that's right down here. Let's see what comes up. So it'll come up like a search and it'll put up everything they have in the whole website. And if you click on the first one, it's normally going to give you a little summary of information about that particular job. So you can see the average or the median, the person in the middle. If you were to line up everybody that is a producer and director in the United States, the very middle person would make $71,680 per year. And at the very top end of that, we'll find out more about the pay under the pay tab. It's a bachelor's degree to get this job, which means you need a 4-year degree is a bachelor's degree. Associate's degree are 2 years normally. And they'll tell you what type of level of education that you need for each job, how many there are and how fast it's growing, how many more they're expected to hire over the next 10 years. So you can see it tells us a lot, gives us a little summary of a lot of things here that you can find underneath each of these tabs. So you can find out what they do, how to become one, and so forth. Going back to where we were, let's see, going back to the beginning. Another thing you might notice is, and the featured occupation changes each time that you come, but you can look up specific categories. If I click on highest paying, I can pull up, these are the highest paying jobs currently. They never go over 208,000 per year, so there's quite a few jobs at that top end. Fastest growing are the ones that there's going to be, those are good fields to go into if you are a young person trying to look for a job. You know that that job will still be there. So the top one is solar photovoltaic installers. These people install solar panels, and you can see they are growing much faster than average. And you can make up to 40. A median pay is $42,680 per year, and you only need a high school diploma to do that job. So it's a good paying job for someone who has a high school diploma. And if we click on pay, you can find out that the lowest 10%, so somebody first starting out might only make around $30,000 or so, and then the highest 10% is going to earn more than $63,000 in a year. So it's pretty interesting to come in here and just read about the different jobs. A lot of times students in middle school don't know what they want to do when they grow up. So this is a great place to look and get some ideas and just be exposed to what kind of jobs are even out there. All right, I hope you enjoy exploring on the Occupational Outlook Handbook.